Data science isn't science fiction, it is the core of our data-driven world. From healthcare to travel, it's everywhere. Get ready for mind-blowing future trends. Number 1. Let us look at data science today. Data science is booming. A Gartner report predicts a 30% market growth this year alone. It's transforming industries like healthcare, finance, and marketing. Now let us look at the latest trends. Automated machine learning or AutoML makes complex models easier to build even for non-experts. Companies like Google and Microsoft are leading the way. Data science and cloud computing. Cloud giants like Amazon and Azure enable real-time processing of massive data sets. And now, the future of data science. Convergence with AI and IoT. Imagine smart cities and personalized healthcare powered by data science and AI. Quantum computing? Well, that's not new as well. Unprecedented processing speeds will solve complex problems and lead to breakthroughs. And then comes careers in data science. The demand for data scientists is skyrocketing. LinkedIn reports a 40% increase this year alone. It's a high-paying field with exciting opportunities and the potential for remote work. Data science is shaping our future. If you are curious and want to make a real impact, explore the dynamic field. Keep learning and embrace the possibilities. Like, share, and subscribe to Learnbay. Thanks for watching.